let's say you want to protect your work, secure all of your clip art within a file, and save it as a PDF. So first you're going to download. You can save as either a PNG or a JPEG in this case. I'm going to choose PNG, I always do. It's just a matter of preference. I do PNG because then it saves as a transparent background, and I put a lot of my stuff onto colored backgrounds. So again, it's just a matter of preference. I'm going to call it alphabet chart, save it there, bring it into my new file, and there it is. So all of these are now flattened. Everything is protected. Nobody can lift the clip art, take it out of this file, put it in something else, copy and paste it. Works great. Now, if you are just doing this and saving it as a PDF, you don't have to do anything other than this. Then you can go ahead, print it as a PDF, that whole thing. If you are going to keep it as a Google Slides file that people are going to use, and you're going to let them edit some part of the file or just, be able to use it in Google Slides, I would do it like this. So I clicked on background, choose image, go right to the image, and then it's there, and you can't move it either. So it's the background. They can't do anything with it. They can't add, go ahead and add text on top, but other than that, they can't do anything. This one, they can move it around, they can delete it, whatever. It depends how editable you want to make something for them in Google Slides. But if you are just saving it as a PDF, go ahead to say print. Save as PDF is your destination. Page is all, pages per sheet. I do print as image. This is an extra layer of security. Call it ABC chart. Then when I go into here, there it is. And everything is flattened and it is a PDF. Now, if you want to make links clickable, in the one I just did, everything was flattened. Nothing was linked or anything. So let's say I want to make a link in this. You can go to my website from it. Well, if you do print as PDF, you're not going to have clickable links. But if you do download as a PDF, it will keep all of your links live. So when I click on this, I can click on that because it turned into a big link, and it goes right to my website. So just a handy little thing if you are making this interactive, if you are keeping it in Google Slides and you want people to be able to click on links, whether teachers or students that are using it. So that's, a great way to do that. But if you are just turning into a PDF, go ahead and just do print to PDF.